It's T-minus 2 days until I leave for the Ozarks. Just stopped at Hennessy Lexus to pick up some parts for Zach Burns. I still have to finish his transfer case work, so that's what I'm doing over the next 2 days. But until then, next it's over to the Toyota dealership. I actually lost a nut for my rear drive shaft while I was swapping it out the other day, so I have to pick up one of those from them. This little drive shaft nut cost me $5, which is ridiculous because the Toyota dealership's website prices them at $1.40 each. So, I don't know, that's a lot of tax. But it's better to order these things online, I guess. Oh well. I'm at Hennessy Lexus, about to get an alignment from my friend Slava. I have not yet had a chance to install this nut, so I've just been driving around with two of them on the output shaft from the transfer case. That way it's kind of balanced. I need the alignment, gotta switch tires over to the 35s. Gotta pack some spares, pack some clothes, food, and then I'll be set, I think. But yeah, I think that's it. Then tomorrow I have to finish up Zach Burns' transfer case over at GA's house, and then I'll be good to go. Well, I got my truck aligned, thank you Slava, and just picked up a CV axle for there. So, headed home. I'm gonna probably install my skids, switch the tires over, and then I'll be ready.